Let's learn how to stop backup in Google Photos. Have you ever had your photos backed up to Google Photos when you didn't want them to be, but you didn't know how to stop it? If this has happened to you, after watching this video, it won't happen again. The first thing you need to check for this method to work is whether you have updated Google Photos. You can check this by going to the App Store. When the App Store opens, click on the option located at the bottom right corner. This is the search option. When the search opens, you need to type in Google Photos, and then a page with Google Photos will open. If it says open next to it, it is updated. But if it says update, click that and wait a bit. Once you're sure it's updated, we can begin. The first thing you need to do is open the Google Photos app on your phone. When you have opened Google Photos, make sure you are on the right account from which you want to stop the backup. Once you are sure you are on the right account, we can start. When Google Photos opens, you will be on the Photos page where all your pictures are located. The next thing you need to do is click on your account icon located in the top right corner of your screen. After you click on your account icon, a page with several options will open. On that page, you will see Backing Up, and you need to click on it, which will open a page with more options. On that page, you need to turn off the option at the top of that page, and once you turn it off, you have successfully stopped the backup in Google Photos. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.